In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your text, icon, or grid size spacing on your MacBook or MacBook Pro desktop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just right-click on a blank area of your desktop and select where it says Show View Options. At this point, you can adjust the icon size, grid spacing, text size, as well as additional options if you want to stack by certain icons or features or filters here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.